This is Faceless, a complete YouTube automations course. Hey there, want to know how people are making thousands of dollars on YouTube without ever showing their face? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Today, I'm going to reveal a complete blueprint, step-by-step method that people are using to earn a steady income by creating YouTube channels, and you can do it too. And here's the kicker. You don't need any fancy equipment. You don't even need to be an expert in storytelling and video editing. All it takes is just a couple of hours a day and some smart planning. Yes, smart planning. This is perfect if you're looking to start making money online but don't have a big budget. Trust me, once you see how simple it is, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. So, what's the plan? We'll create a channel step by step, even if you've never done it before. You'll learn how to come up with a killer name that matches your audience irrespective of your niche, and design a pro-looking logo and banner for your channel for free. We'll dive into creating content that grabs people's attention without you even appearing on camera. Stick with me to the end as I show you how to use AI to handle most of the heavy lifting, making this process a breeze. And by the end of this video, you'll have a complete blueprint for building a YouTube channel that can earn you real money without ever needing to be on screen. Believe me, if you skip even one part of this tutorial, you might miss something important, and I don't want that for you. If this is your first time here, I'm excited to have you. This is AI Zenzor, the channel where we show you how AI can make life easier and more fun. Before we start, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you'll always know when we drop a new video. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. So, what exactly is YouTube automation? Well, in simple terms, it's the process of building a YouTube channel and focusing on a specific group of viewers, often referred to as a niche audience. This approach allows you to create content that speaks directly to their interests and needs, making your channel stand out and grow faster. Mind you, there is a quote that says, "It's not the strength of your effort, but the smartness of your approach that leads to success." Since there are successful channels that are making it already, let's just use them as inspiration to hasten our success. And here is a very good example of what I mean. Check out this channel called True Crime Stories. With over 6 million views in less than a year, they have already gotten an audience of more than 40,000 subscribers with just 64 videos. They are probably making close to $2,000 monthly. That's incredible. So guys, let's use this channel for inspiration to build our channel. Here's the blueprint for today's video, starting with creating a channel from scratch, finding a name, creating a YouTube banner and a logo, creating the content plan and video script, creating a talking avatar, voice generation, and final editing. Hit that like and subscribe button and let's dive in together. To start off, we obviously need a channel and branding for it. So go over to your YouTube studio and create a channel. For now, on the right side, hit your profile icon. Now hit switch account, and all the way at the bottom, hit view all channels. Now hit create a channel, just like that. For someone that has not created a channel before, all you need is your Google Gmail account. It's easy. Now, to choose a name and description for the channel, let's go to ChatGPT and ask it to provide us with awesome name and concept ideas for the channel we are building. We'll drop the prompt in the Google Doc and also in the description below. Feel free to copy this prompt to generate your own ideas. Remember, this niche is about interesting crime stories, so let's select the best out of these name ideas. As you can see here, this name is perfect, so I will choose it. I'm going to select this name, Crackdown. Now let's ask ChatGPT to generate a hook description that best represents this channel and persuade my viewers to subscribe and ring the notification bell using this chosen name as well. Okay, great. Now we need a logo and a banner to represent this channel. We can use ChatGPT to generate prompts for that as well. Since we are just starting up and obviously our budget is very tight, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate a perfect prompt to generate the best logo and also the banner for our channel. Now that our prompts are generated, click the link provided below to access Leonardo AI. Once you have successfully signed in, you should have the same interface like this. I have an account already, so I will just click on the Lunch app button. Click on the image creation button. Let's just copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. I will choose the aspect ratio as 1 or square shape, and I will maintain all other settings just like this. Then click Generate. Boom! This is amazing. Click on it to check it out. You can click on this arrow to check them. I like this one. Let's download it. Click here to download it. Now, let's design our banner. Just as before, I will copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Let's change the aspect ratio to 16:9, and I will maintain this settings as well. Boom! This is fantastic. Let's check and download the best. I like this one. Let's download it. First things first, let's type in our channel name. Once that's done, tick this box and hit Create Channel. Now, let's refresh the page and head over to Customize Channel. It only took a few minutes to generate these materials. We would have to use hundreds of dollars to hire a graphic designer for this, thanks to AI. Now that the visuals are ready, it's time to upload our logo and banner. These are the faces of our channel, so let's get them up quickly. Super easy. For the description, I'm going to grab a quick one from ChatGPT, paste it here, and click Save. And just like that, we're all set. Done? Great. Now let's move on to something super important, the content plan. You might be wondering, why is a content plan important? Here's the thing, when you start uploading, your first video probably won't get a lot of views. Trust me, you will feel discouraged. It's easy to lose motivation when that happens, and you might even stop posting. But here's the key. This is where having a content plan comes in. No matter what, you need to stick to your plan and upload all the videos you've prepared. This isn't just about motivation, it's about discipline. And discipline is what will help you succeed in this YouTube game. So let's take action. Head over to ChatGPT and let's ask it to generate 10 video topics for your channel. These are going to be your roadmap. The goal, create and upload all 10 videos within the next month. As you can see, we've got 10 fresh video topics ready to go. Now, let's choose one and kick off the video creation process. Let's move on. Click the link in the description to access Wondershare Verbo. It's an all-in-one AI tool that helps you write engaging video scripts, create AI avatars, and much more. Download it and install it. Once done, your interface should look like this. Now, select the AI script option and you'll see an AI script assistant pop up. All you need to do is ask it to write a script for your chosen topic and specify how many words you want. For this example, I'm using a prompt that you can find in the Google Doc linked below. Let's generate the script. In just a few seconds, we've got a fantastic script. If you want to tweak it, click the shorten button or the engage button to make it even more captivating. I'm satisfied with this version, so let's move forward. Next, click on the Create Video button. For YouTube, select the 16:9 landscape option. But for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok, 9:16 works best. I'm choosing the landscape option for now. As you can see, we now have our ultra-realistic AI character to present the story. You can move this AI avatar around anywhere in the video. Let's customize the avatar to best suit our audience. Click the change button and you'll see hundreds of AI avatars for various purposes and ethnicities. It's pretty impressive. By the way, I've already made a full tutorial on using this tool for AI avatars. You'll find the link on screen, or you can check the description below. If you get any value in this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more contents like this. I'm going to select this avatar for now. It's perfect for our niche dot. Once that's done, head over to the background settings and select green as the background color. Now, let's choose a suitable AI voice. I recommend using Elevenlabs for this. There's a link in the description that will take you to Elevenlabs, which is a powerful AI tool for creating realistic voiceovers. After signing up with your Gmail, your dashboard should look like this. With tons of voice options to choose from, you'll easily find one that fits your story. Don't worry, the free version allows you to create up to 10 minutes of voiceover per month, so you can get started without spending a penny. If you need more, you can always upgrade later. Explore the voice library and pick the one that speaks to you. Literally, got your voice? Great, now paste your script into the text box. For this tutorial, I will delete some and click Generate Speech. In just seconds, you'll have a professional quality voiceover ready to go. Click Download, go back to Wondershare, and click the option to upload your voiceover. Click Audio Upload, click here, and click Audio Upload again, and choose your voiceover. Then, wait for it to sync. Click the Apply button, then wait for the parsing subtle. Now, we can click here to preview our avatar. Let's work on the background video. I'm going to export this video now. The results are incredible. It looks like a real person speaking, and the animation is super smooth. Now, it's time to create the background video. We'll use a combination of ChatGPT and Leonardo AI for this. How do we do that? First, ask ChatGPT to generate image prompts for your story script. Then, we'll use Leonardo AI to convert those prompts into images or videos. I'm going to copy the whole story and ask ChatGPT to generate image prompts that match. As you can see, we have our prompts ready. Let's copy this prompt. Next, head over to Leonardo AI, select a suitable model, and adjust the image size to 16:9 for YouTube. Paste the prompts, and let's generate the images. This part is simple, but it does take a bit of time. You'll need to create visuals like these for the entire script. For me, I prefer using AI to handle all these tedious tasks, so I'll be using Fliki for this. Click the link in the description to access Fliki AI for free. Sign up with your Google account, and you should see an interface like this. It comes with a ton of features to make your life easier. You can turn your ideas into stunning videos, transform scripts into engaging visuals, and guess what? You can even design thumbnails with this awesome tool. It's mind-blowing. Now, Let's create our background video by clicking on Script to Engaging Video. Then paste your script into this box where it converts each paragraph into a scene. With a free account, we can only create a video up to 1 minute long. Click Next, and let's change the aspect ratio to 16, 9 for YouTube. I'll leave all the other settings as they are. Click Submit, and let's wait for it to process. Boom, our video is ready. Let's check it out. Make sure to remove the subtitles by clicking on each scene. Then, on the right-hand side of the interface, untick the subtitles box. Click Download. Keep in mind, we're limited to 720p resolution. To access higher resolutions, you can upgrade. Finally, let's click here to start exporting. After that, go back to Verbo, and let's add that video we generated as the background. For that, click the Import option and upload the video that we just downloaded. After the uploading process is done, double-click it, and it will be added to the timeline. Now you need to right-click on this video and select the Move Down a Layer option to add this video to the back of the AI avatar. Then make sure to reduce the volume of the background video to 0. Wondering how to remove the fliki watermark? Here's a quick tip. First, click on the background video. Then, head over to the Edit section on the right-hand side of the interface. Select Cancel Background to detach the video. Next, resize the video by clicking and holding any part of it, just like this. Right-click on this video and select the Move Down a Layer option. Let's go ahead and resize our avatar as well. And if you want, you can add suitable background music to this video from here. Then everything is done. Click the Export button and download the video. Let's see the final output.
Imagine a world where darkness hides sinister secrets and stories of terror await. This is the tale of the Green River Killer. For over 2 decades, this mysterious figure cast a shadow of fear across the nation, eluding capture. Join us as we delve into the terrifying depths of the past, uncovering the truth about this infamous predator. In Seattle, the killer's presence was a constant threat, haunting the streets and instilling fear in the community. Their journey was fraught with challenges, but their resolve to catch the elusive killer never wavered. Stay tuned as we explore the chilling saga of a hunt for one of history's most notorious criminals.